Welcome to Alden's studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove water spots from Shell Cordovan. It is a suitable method for the shoe which hasn't been so long since full maintenance that includes cleaning process. Before we start this tutorial, you have to know the structure of Shell Cordovan and what's happening on the leather surface. Shell Cordovan is the material which is further compressed dense fiber of membrane to achieve high shine. When they got water, they get expanded dense fiber. This is the identity of water spot. So what I'm gonna do in this tutorial is recompress the expanded fiber to get back original condition. I recommend this method rather than another way, that is re-wet the leather with wet cloth or water mist, because it will lose original shine surface due to expanded compressed fiber. What I'm going to be using to remove water spots are a pair of shoe tree, a hose brush, a soft cotton cloth, Cordovan cream, and Abbey's polishing dear bone. Before I start any shoe care, you always have to put a pair of shoe tree in your shoes, then brush off the dot with horsehair. After brush off the dot, apply a tiny bit Cordovan cream to get back a lost oil and make easier to compress the fiber. But do not apply a lot, just a little bit amount of cream for just water spots. And stay 5 to 10 minutes to penetrate. Now we recompress the expanded fiber in this process. Apply moderate pressure like massage your back, do not scrub. You should always double check there is no crack and no particle on the bone. Also, the bone has edgy part, so keep your eye on the bone direction, otherwise you'll scratch the leather. And remember, do not press the part coated in hard wax layer. After pressed, gently wipe off the extra cream with the cotton cloth. Then brush away until it shines. And here is the result. As you can see, water spots are completely removed and back to shiny Shell Cordovan skin. The shoe I was using in this video is Crockett&Jones Evesham and Horween Shell Cordovan. You can find more detail in another video, so make sure to check out my other videos as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.